Okay, I'm on the Coinswitch landing page when you go to coinswitch.com, and my screen's going to look different colors than what you would see because I've got the Windows high contrast setting on to help with my eyesight. But this is what it looks like, and if you scroll down a little bit you will see this top box here is where you would select what you want to swap for what you put down here. So in this case it's BTC. I put 0.007 and it tells me that it's going to give me 174.9 Theta in exchange. So if I were to change the amount up here, it's going to automatically recalculate the amount I'll get of Theta. So now it's reduced the amount, and it's now telling me 123.9 Theta is what I'll get. So to proceed from here, what you got to do is click on View All Offers, and then it comes up and it shows you the information you just provided on the previous screen. And in this case there's only the one offer of 123.9 Theta, and it will be done through the Binance exchange. So to proceed, I would click that button and it brings me to this screen where it's asking me to enter the address where I want the Theta sent. So if I click in there, I have a wallet, a Theta wallet. I created a desktop version which is available from the theta.org site, and I put 1 Theta into it and I put 5 T-Fuel into it, and then I've clicked on the receive and it pops up this window here, and there is the address for this wallet. And if I double click, it will say your address has been copied. So then I go back over here and I have got my cursor flashing there. So if I right click and I click paste, it pops the address of my Theta wallet in there. That's where it's going to send the Theta when it receives. So the next thing to proceed is down here, the I agree with the terms and conditions. You have to check that, and you click on this next button over here, and it'll take you to this screen where it's telling you this is the address that you want to send those bitcoins to. And so you just click this and it'll copy that address, and then you would use that address to send those bitcoin to, and it's going to wait until it receives those bitcoin before it proceeds. And if you look right here, it's saying waiting to receive the coins. Now I can't go any further than this for the simple fact that I'm not actually going to do this transaction, but that is the way it works. If I did in fact send the bitcoin to that address, once it's received, it'll process this, and I don't know how long it actually takes before you'll receive your Theta, but once it completes the transaction, it'll tell you that it completed it, and you can go and look in your Theta wallet and you should see those in your Theta wallet. So it's fairly simple. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone you know. It'll help me out a lot. Thank you.